Hi, thanks so much for joining. I am Joe Peterson. I'm the Vice President of Cloud and Security for Clarify 360. I'm the Chief Analyst at ClearTech Research, and I'm here today on behalf of the CTO Advisor, their Cloud Everyday series, and we're talking Azure Security. So today we're going to talk about Azure Application Gateway. What is it? It's a web traffic load balancer that enables you to manage traffic to your web apps. So traditional load balancers operate at the transport level, the OSI level 4 at TCP and UDP, and route traffic based on source IP address and port to a destination IP and port address. Application Gateway can make routing decisions based upon additional attributes of an HTTP request. For example, a URL path or host header. For example, you can route traffic based on the incoming URL. So if images in the incoming URL, you can route that traffic to a specific set of servers known as a pool configured for images. If it's a video in the URL, the traffic can be routed to another pool that's optimized for videos. Application gateways include the following 15 key features. I'm going to name them out. The first is Secure Socket Layer Termination, or SSL TLS termination. Application Gateway supports SSL TLS termination at the gateway, after which traffic typically flows unencrypted to the backend servers. Autoscaling. Application Gateway Standard version 2 supports autoscaling and can scale up or down based upon changing traffic load patterns. Third, zone redundancy. A standard version 2 application gateway can span multiple availability zones, offering better fault resiliency and removing the need to provision and separate application gateways in each zone. Fourth, static VIP. The application gateway standard SKU supports static VIP type exclusivity. This ensures that the VIP associated with the application gateway doesn't change even over the lifeline of the application gateway. I should say lifetime of the application gateway. Fifth, Web Application Firewall, or WAF. It's a service that provides centralized support of your web applications from common exploits and vulnerabilities. Sixth, Ingress Control for AKS. Application Gateway Ingress Control allows you to use Application Gateway as the ingress for an Azure Kubernetes service or AKS cluster. Next, URL-based routing. URL-based routing paths allows you to route traffic to backend server pools based upon paths of the request. One of the scenarios is to route requests for different content to different pools, like we talked about, whether it's video or whether it's photos or images. Multiple site hosting. With Application Gateway, you can configure routing based on host name or domain name for more than one app to the same application gateway. It allows you to configure a more efficient topology for your deployments by adding up to 100 plus websites to one application gateway. Redirection. Application Gateway redirection supports the following capabilities. Global redirection to one port to another port on the same gateway. This enables HTTP to HTTPS redirection on a site. Path-based redirection. This type of redirection enables HTTP to HTTPS redirection only on a specific site, for example, a shopping cart, or redirected to an external site. Next, session affinity. This cookie-based session affinity feature is useful when you want to keep a user session on the same server. WebSocket and HTTP/2 traffic. Application Gateway provides native support for WebSocket and HTTP2 protocols. There's no user configurable setting to select and enable or disable WebSocket support. Connection draining. Connection draining helps you achieve graceful removal of backend pool members during planned service updates or problems with backend health. Customer error pages. Application gateways allow you to create custom error pages instead of displacing default error pages. So you can use your own branding and layout using a custom error page. And then last, 15, rewrite HTTP headers and URL. HTTP headers allow the client and server to pass additional information with the request or the response. So rewriting these HTTP headers helps you accomplish several important scenarios, such as adding security-related header fields, removing response header fields, stripping port information. Oh, I forgot the last one, sizing. Application Gateway can be configured for auto-scaling or fixed size deployments. The SKU doesn't offer standard instances. So if you like my content, ring my bell on my profile so you can be the first to see my post. Follow me on Twitter, ClearTech Today. Follow me on YouTube at ClearTech Research. Or if you need cybersecurity or security or cloud security sourcing assistance, get a hold of me. Clarify 360 can help you. Thank you for joining.